Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got an Audi A3 here on a 2016-2017 plate, just doing a cabin filter as you can see right here. So that's what I'm replacing. Now with this Audi it's quite a simple procedure, so I'll just show you exactly what I'm going to do. But if you did want one, that's the part number right there. So to do it, it's quite easy. Now basically they've got a little slot, so you don't have to take the whole glove compartment out. So they've got a little slot this, so if you pull this back, and then there you've got fuses, and on the inside you've got that cabin filter box right there. So I'm just gonna show you how to do it. So you've got a clip on the top, and clip on the top right there. So if I push this clip down as well, it's gonna be a bit tight. So I'm gonna need a screwdriver. I did get one here somewhere. The reason I've got this paper here, because of the dirt that's going to come out. Usually the cabin filters do get a lot dirtier. So if I just push the screwdriver in to the clip hole and then push it back, same thing again, push it back, same thing again on this side. This should be good. That's it. So as you can see now, that's out. So what I now do is, sorry, the angle is quite bad on the camera, so you can hold it from here, you lift it back out all the way. So once you take it out from the clips on the bottom, you then slide it out. So you've got these clips right here, so they kind of sit in there. But you can see already the condition of the cabin filter. There's a lot of leaves and everything else there, you can see, and the pointing for the arrow is facing down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to gently take this out. So you might have to just put a bit of force on this side here, and then here the same thing on this side as well. You see why I got the paper there? Just for that reason. Wow, that is dirty. And as you can see now, compared to the new one, so if you look at the new one and the old one, that's quite bad. Right, just check, make sure it's the right size. So that's perfect. So the arrow was facing down, you can see right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure this face down as well. Now what I need to do now is just make sure inside everything is clear. Now you can see the fan is on the bottom, so, which I don't understand why the arrow should be down, airflow. I thought the airflow would be up. But it's definitely down in here, and that has got the original VW cabin filter set. They've done it this way, so I'm just going to make sure I do it the right way, same way again. So I'm really not going to change the position for it. So you slot it in from one end and the other. You slide it through, and then slide it through again. That's it. Now you can see it's sitting in perfect. So that's a brand new one right there. Okay, now the main thing, the important thing is this cover here. So how it goes on. So I don't know if you remember, we had these little clips we had to push down on. So you can see 3 of them. So what I need to now do is slot it in. Apologies for the camera angle, but that's the only angle I could get. So if I got it in now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold it from here and try to slide it through. That's it. So as you can see now, I'll just zoom in a little bit. So you can see now it's gone in through those gaps right there. I then push it in, zoom back out, push it in, that's clipped in as well. I now take this out just for the rubbish, and then I've got the other plastic trim that go in. So just remember how you took it out, that's how you need to put it back in as well. So this way slides in first, and then you push it in from there. Just need to make sure you hear the clicks. That's it. this all in. So I'm just going to put all of these stuff back in there as well. Right, that's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and goodbye.